Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make this pine cone star. It's really easy and really simple to make, just like all my other creations. Now on my channel there's things from Christmas to hearts, which I absolutely adore, to sticks. There's really easy simple things to make, so if you want to check out the rest of my channel then you're free to do so. Now this was just made out of pine cones. Now you can pick these up if you're on a walk in the forest, or you can buy them from an actual craft store. So if you want to know how I made this, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Now you've got your pine cones. All you need to do is just drop them into some water and let them soak in there, and that will soften all the pine cones, all these, and they will become flexible, and then you'll be able to peel them off. Now I've left these pine cones in for probably about 40 minutes and they should soften up so you can actually move the actual individual ones. So it's just soften them up so it's easier to take off. So all you've got to do is just peel them off then you get these all individual ones like this, and then I'll just put them back in, and all you got to do is just keep tearing them off. And then if they do become a bit tight, then you can always use like a small little pair and pop them in and pull them off. That's easier as well. Just helps when it's just softened a bit, but do that until you reach all the way down the end. Now we've stripped the pine cone actually to its core, because now that all these have all been taken off, it's just time to get all your little individual pine cones and drain them off now. So now you can either leave them to dry, or you can pop them in the oven on a very low temperature and you'll dry them out a lot quicker. If you are going to put them in the oven, just put them on a baking tray, but line it with some tin foil first and just put it on a low heat and just keep an eye on them. Now that they're all dry, you can just cut off these ends, just a pair of scissors. Then it end up nice and flat. That's what we want, nice flat ones. So again, just cut them off. Now I've sorted some of the large ones. I'm going to use the large ones first, and then the medium ones, and then the smaller ones to go to the middle of the actual project. Next you'll need is a template. Now I've drawn this one on here. You can do that freehand, but if you're not that good at freehand, then you can just download one from the internet and you can just cut them out, and that's done then, and then that can be used on the piece of cardboard. I'm just going to cut this one out. Now place your template down and just draw around it. Star shape, and now all you need to do is cut that out. Now I find the best way to cut out on cardboard is to use a bread knife. It's like a little saw, because this is quite sturdy cardboard. So we're just going to cut through. Now it's an old bread knife. I've used it for many of the crafts, and it's just nice and easy. Just go around and then just to get a nice crisp edge all the way down there. So once you've cut that out, then you're left with a star shape. But next we're going to use the actual little leaves, and we're going to put them on the edge of all the points of the star. And so all you need to do, put a bit of glue on the back and stick it down. Easy as that. And do that to all of the sides. Now we've done that, and then next we're going to put 2, and we're going to do that all the way around the star, and we're slowly going to go into the middle. So this is now your star. I think it looks really pretty. It's really easy. So all we're going to do is just tidy up the sides here. So it's just more or less exactly what we did before. We're just going to put a little bit of glue, and then we're just going to start putting these on the side. And do that all the way around. So now that we've made our star and we've done all the edges, I think it looks really nice. I wanted to frame it, so I was going to find a big large photo frame and just actually put it on the photo frame. But as I was having a look around, because I don't throw anything out, I came across like this shadow box, and this was in the shed, and the reason why it was in the shed is because the inner bit here had some marks on it, but that's going to cover the actual, the star's going to actually cover this little bit here. So I'm going to just use the glue gun and place it on. Right, so we're just going to turn it over. And place it in the middle. So this is the star stuck to the back of the cardboard, and then all we're going to do is put the top on it. Now this is called a shadow box, and you can buy these from Hobbycraft, and this one is 25 centimetres by 25 centimetres, and that's £8. And I know that they do one at 30 centimetres by 30 centimetres, and that's about £11. So it's quite a nice easy craft to make. So we're going to put that into there. We're going to screw it down. And so then that's your end result, and I think that looks really nice. In fact, I think it looks quite expensive. So if you bought one from Hobbycraft, the actual frame, and you made that, then you could give that away as a Christmas present or a birthday present, or keep it yourself like me. Now you can always colour these in white, or you could do it in silver or red, or anything that matches your decor at home. So if you've liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell, because that will let you know when I've made my next creation.